Guys, as you can see, trading the Bollinger Band can be really easy. So guys, as you can see, this was a beautiful and beautiful win. You can see this was a 1 to 1.5. Guys, it's your boy XO, and in this video I will show you guys the best Bollinger Band trading strategy and how you can use the Bollinger Band in intraday trading strategy. So guys, I'm making this video because I want to know, like we all want to know, if the Bollinger Band is a good or profitable intraday trading strategy. And also, only a small percent of people who watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you end up liking this video, please consider subscribing, turn on the bell, and smashing the like button because it's free and it helps me and the channel. Enjoy the video. Let's get started. And first, we have to know what is the Bollinger Band. And according to Google, the Bollinger Band are a technical analysis tool developed by John Bolinger in the 1980s for trading stocks. But actually, it can be used in trading both stocks and forex because most traders use the Bollinger Band in trading the forex. So guys, the Bollinger Band comprises of volatility indicator that measures the relative high or low of a security price in relation to previous trades. Okay guys, so real quick, let me show you guys how to insert the Bollinger Band on your chart. So quickly, you come to this indicator section and you search for Bollinger Band. So you click on it, Bollinger Bands, and there it is on your chart. So guys, clearly what you want to look for is when the price is broke out the Bollinger Band line, depending if it's on the upper line or the lower line. Like at this point, there's a breakout and a close above. So most traders will take this trade at this point, but we won't take the trade at this point. So we have to look for a sniper entry. I always talk about taking your trades after a sniper entry, or taking your trades like a sniper, not like a machine gun. So we have to wait for a good setup. And what is that good setup? Clearly, I like to use I like to add in some more confluences, which is adding something like a 200 EMA. So exponential moving average line, you want to put in the 200 EMA. So the kind of trades we want to take with the Bollinger Band is when we see the price is clearly above the 200 EMA line and it broke past, like it broke below this point, then we're looking to take a trade. But that's not all. You have to stick to the end of this video. I will show you guys a secret technique I use in taking these trades. So let me look for a trade. So clearly at this point you can see that the price and the Bollinger Band is way above the 200 EMA line, this blue line right here, and you can see that the market broke past this level right here. But most traders will take the trade at this point for a buy, which I really don't recommend. You have to wait for confluences and price action. If you watch all my videos, you see that I always talk about trading with price action. Even if you're using an indicator, you have to add in some more price action. So let me take this trade first before I take this other one. You can see that the price broke past, then I waited for an engulfing candlestick. As you can see at this point, this was a beautiful engulfing candlestick. And you're probably wondering, how do I set my stops and how do I set my target? I basically use the ATR, average true range, on my chart to give me a better view of how volatile the market is. As you can see at this point, it's that particular engulfing candlestick is 54. It is 54. So I'm looking to use a 2x the ATR value, which is 108. So my stops, I always care about my stops. I don't care that much about my take profit. So 108 is our stop loss. 108. So as you can see at this point, 108 stop, and we're using a 1-to-1 profit target. So let me get that. So as you can see, this was a beautiful win, a 1 to 1.5. And let's wait for a different entry. I was talking about this one, so let's take this one too. So 32 times 2 is actually 64. So we're looking to take this trade on the 64 pip stop. And mind you guys, this is a 5-minute time frame on the EU on the Euro USD, and I'm looking to take a 64 pip stop. I think it's 64. Yeah, 64. And our take profit target should be a 1 to 1.5. So guys, you see, that's why I like to use the market volatility. So you see that we won 2 trades in a row. Beautiful 2 trades, 1 in a row. But guys, don't get carried away by these 2 wins. You can actually encounter 2 more losses. That's why I always recommend you guys trade with a 1.5 risk to reward ratio, which is pretty decent when it comes to risk reward. I would not recommend you take a 1-to-1, but if you want to, then it's fine. But I always recommend you take a 1 to 1.5. Do your own due diligence, guys. Trade at your own risk. Alright, guys, so real quick, guys, I found a new entry just at this point. So you can see this was a beautiful engulfing candlestick at this point for a 58 pip stop. So let's use a 2x ATR, which is 58 times 2. I'm really bad at maths, so 5 5 10 8 8 16, 116 pip stop. So let's see if this was a win. 115, 116 pip stop, 116. So like I usually say, we need a 1. So like I usually recommend, I say we need to take a 1 to 1.5. It's not a must. That's just my own preference. So you can take a 1 to 1, a 1 to 0.5, a 1 to 10, a 1 to 100 if you solely desire, man. So I like to use a 1.5. Let's see if that was a win. So as you can see, a 1 to 1.5 was a win. So guys, it clearly depends on what you want to, like your risk to reward ratio. Like obviously a 1 to 1 will get hit more often than a 1 to 1.5, and a 1 to 2 will get hit less than a 1 to 1.5. So it all depends on it all depends on what you want, like I said. So you guys see a breakout of this Bollinger Band, an engulfing candlestick, and I took the trade with a 2x ATR value, and you can see that the price was clearly above the 200 EMA line, which is one of the reasons why I said adding some more confluences and adding some price action, because I saw some traders on YouTube preaching about this, but they're just entering randomly just based on the breakout of the Bollinger Band, which I really don't think makes any sense, because I can literally find a lot of breakouts from this Bollinger Band. But you know, adding some more confluences will give you an edge in the market. So I'll see you guys in the next video. And if you guys found value in this video, please make sure to smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification icon, and leave a comment on what videos you want to see next, and I will try my best to make that video. And don't forget to share this video. It's your boy XO, and I'm signing out. Stay XO.